What's up, everybody? My name is Susie Weinrich, and today I'm going to show you how to make a tequila smash. It's a super simple cocktail made with just 4 ingredients. It originated as a whiskey smash, but I prefer to drink tequila over whiskey or vodka or gin or anything. So we're going to make this with an Añejo Tequila, and you're going to love it. You're going to want to have a shaker or a jar of some kind that has a lid. Then we're going to take 3 lemon wedges, which is about half of a medium lemon. Pop those down in there. Then I'm going to use this. This is called a cocktail muddle. If you don't have a cocktail muddle, just use the end of a wooden spoon. Lemon's getting me in my face. Now you want to make sure that you muddle this down so that all that juice releases from the lemons and the oil releases from the rinds. That looks pretty good. Now we're going to add a couple ice cubes for when we shake up this cocktail. You want to have fresh mint. So whenever I have fresh mint, I usually make this cocktail. So you're going to add in just a few leaves, maybe like 5 or 6 leaves, and then save some to garnish the cocktail with. Now we're going to go in with 2 ounces of Añejo Tequila, and believe it or not, this Costco Añejo Tequila is so good. Then we're going to add in about 3/4 of an ounce of agave syrup. And then we're going to pop on the lid and we're going to shake it vigorously for about 20 or 30 seconds. My dog barks whenever I shake cocktails. How about that? You want to make sure that the agave syrup is blending in with the cocktail, and you want to make sure that the mint is starting to release some of its essential oils into the cocktail. All right, that looks really good, and I can already smell it. So you want to have a rock-sized glass, fill it with ice. I like to use crushed ice. You could also just do 1 large cube like you would when you drink tequila or whiskey on the rocks. Then we're going to garnish it with a small lemon wedge. And then I like to take a little sprig of mint, just pinch off the stem, and then I like to put it in the palm of my hand. I'm going to give it 2 slaps. That's going to release the essential oils so that when you actually drink the cocktail, you can smell it. I can already smell it. So cheers, everybody. I hope that if you love tequila, you make this tequila smash for cocktail time. Whoa. Holy shit. Woo, that's good. That's a proper cocktail.